Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video,
gagawa tayo ng graduation makeup tutorial na sobrang simple lang at napaka-affordable. So without further ado, let's start in 3, 2.
So step 1.
And for the foundation guys, gagamit tayo ng Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation in the shade of 120 or Classic Ivory. So ayun lang, apply lang tayo and let's spread it all over the face para matakpan ang mga dapat takpan. Ayan guys, so nag-start na ako mag-blend and mukhang hindi kinaya ng unang brush ko. So pinalitan natin siya. And continuous lang sa pagbe-blend because blending is the key. And ayan, syempre huwag natin kakalimutan ang bandang leeg para naman pumantay sa kulay ng face natin and hindi siya pangit tignan guys. So blend pa rin para pantay-pantay ang color ng leeg at ng face natin. And we're on the step 2 and we're using again a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. Let's start applying it sa mga area na gusto nating matakpan. Blend para ma-achieve ang flawless skin sa big day na matagal-tagal na nating hinihintay. And for the third step guys, I use a pressed powder of LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte in the shade of Porcelain. For the eyes, I'm using Nudes Eyeshadow Collection from LA Girl once again. And I'm using the light pink color first. And okay lang din guys na mag-apply tayo ng mga eyeshadow na may shimmer dahil usually ang graduation naman is gabi or hapon na inaabot na rin ng gabi. So okay lang din na mag-apply tayo ng mga ganong eyeshadow because it fits the graduation day. And just continue blending guys and blend it right. And sa second layer natin guys, I'm using a medium to dark pink para mas ma-blend naman yung ating eyeshadow. And I'm using that for the outer part. And the next part guys is ang kilay. And I'm using a Fashion 21 eyebrow pencil in the shade of dark copper. And ayan, paubos na nga. for the mascara guys, I'm using again a Maybelline, yung Hyper Curl Volume Express nila na waterproof. And because this is graduation day, hindi natin maiwasan na maging medyo emotional. So, gamit na lang tayo ng mga waterproof na product sa may eye part natin para medyo safe tayo pag, ayan, nag-iyakan na sa bandang dulo ng graduation ceremony. And for the next part guys, gagamit naman tayo ng contour. So para maitago ang mga taba-taba dyan and magka-shape naman ang face natin. So pinaghalo ko lang yung warm bronzer and yung light bronzer na shade para sakto lang siya. Kasi pag yung warm bronzer lang, hindi siya halata. Pag yung light bronzer naman, super emphasize na ng contour. So, ayan guys, after i-apply ng contour, just continue on blending, blend lang ng tama at maayos para hindi naman masyadong pointed or masyadong sharp yung pagkaka-contour natin.
Okay lang ba siya? Ha?
On the next step guys, so mag-blush na tayo. So I'm using a care line in the shade of Starlight Shine. And swear guys, super pigmented ng blush on na to. Kahit napaka mura niya. As in, super pigmented at pangmatagalan siya. And for the lips guys, we're using again a Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade of 210 or Versatile. Guys, kung gusto nyong ma-achieve yung lips na super pangmalakasan at pangmatagalan, use this Super Stay na matte ink. Kasi hanggang matapos yung graduation nyo and until celebration of your graduation, I promise you, meron yan, hindi ka iiwan ng lipstick na yan. And that's it guys! So yan ang ating graduation makeup tutorial na sobrang simple at napaka-affordable lang. So, I would like to congratulate everyone na gagraduate this March 2019 and hindi lang ngayong March, basta sa buong taon ng 2019. And I hope nakatulong ako or nakapagbigay ako ng idea on your makeup sa inyong big day. And that's it for this vlog guys. If you like this kind of video, then give it a thumbs up. Comment down your ideas and suggestions for my next videos na gusto nyong gawin ko. Subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button down below so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. And keep in mind that you are fearfully and wonderfully made, so always leave sparkles and sprinkle kindness wherever you go. Bye!